Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. As the screen wakes up, press and hold the upper button to open the menu. And here we have the list of options, and on the list you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Once you see it, if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. You will see the message DND on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the down button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you simply open the menu again, find the icon, tap on it. You will see the message DND off. The icon will go back to gray color, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.